how to download Castle app on your Android and iPhone. So if you are using Android, you just have to open your Play Store, and if you are using iPhone, then just go to your App Store, and after that on the search box just type Castle make and play search. Alright, so as you can see, this is the result. You just have to press the install button, and that's it. So wait for it to get installed. So yeah, our app has been installed. Let's open the app, right? So this is the app. You just have to press the switch, and there we go. If you press it again, it's going to be dark. So alright, and then press OK. So skip. Alright, so this is how you play the game. Alright, have a great day. Thanks for watching.